Make a mold and a plaster casting with ImPRESSive Putty. The materials that you're going to need include the ImPRESSive Putty, something to make a casting out of, plaster additive, vegetable oil, and the other accessories. Heat the ImPRESSive Putty in the microwave in 15 to 20 second intervals until it is softened. Be careful not to overheat it, and also be careful because it's hot and can burn you, so let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes prior to handling, but it's still soft and pliable. Carefully roll the softened ImPRESSive Putty onto the surface that you're casting. In this case, it's a cabinet, ensuring that it has full contact in all the details. Smooth the edges and press firmly to capture the design. Allow the putty to cool and harden. You know it's ready when you press on it and it doesn't have a fingerprint indentation. Gently peel the ImPRESSive Putty off of the cabinet or whatever you're casting. Prepare the plaster mixture. Use plaster additive to increase the surface hardness of the plaster in the putty, and then make your castings. After it's solidified, peel the putty off of the plaster and admire your part. Thank you so much for watching and reading and for following along. Experiment with different objects and designs and have fun.